Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am making Featherlight Muffins, which are so soft and delicious. As always, the recipe will be in the description box below. And before we begin, I am doubling this recipe, so if you don't want to do that, the normal recipe will be below as well. Let's get started. To start off, you will need a KitchenAid or a beater, and we're going to combine 2/3 a cup of softened butter, 2/3 a cup of sugar, and 2 eggs. Start off on low speed, but if you need to, you can speed it up a notch. Next, in a large bowl, we are going to combine 3 cups of flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Once your dry ingredients are mixed thoroughly, take the flour mixture and 1 cup of milk and alternate adding them to the wet ingredients. Now you want to grease a few muffin pans, and with a spoon, fill up each section about 2/3 of the way full. Then place these in a 350-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once they are done, let them cool for around 10 minutes. I have combined some cinnamon and sugar together in a bowl, as well as some melted butter. Dip each muffin first in the melted butter and then in the cinnamon sugar. Then your muffins are complete. These muffins are the perfect breakfast treat or just a yummy snack. I hope you all enjoyed, and you should definitely try these yourself. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you next time.